In this video, we're going to talk about enums. What are enums? Enums is a way to constrain the number of choices that a user can choose for a field while still giving it meaning. So for example, if you see here right now, we have gender equals male. We can easily do female. We can easily be other. And we can easily do like non-binary, etc. And right now, because it's a string, it can be an unlimited amount of choices. And so what we do is we can create an enum. And let's call it gender. And then we can actually specify the specific values that we allow for gender. So it could be male, female, non-binary, other. And now, instead of a gender being a string, it could be this enum. And now we'll see compiler errors whenever we try to pass in a string. And instead, what we can do is we can do gender dot the actual entity. And now if we run the main class again, for example, this will allow us to, it'll still print out what the gender is. And in this case, it's capped, so it will be fully capped. All right, hope you learned something. I'll talk to you in the next video.